global advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
Congratulations, felicitation at this young age by University of Mumbai and Pillai Institute. What do you have to say?
I feel really honored that at this age I have received this honor, and I also feel that I have also been a part of the Mumbai University as a student. I have done distance education from Mumbai University, and I'm still completing my graduation. I haven't completed it yet because my work started and I had to focus more on my work. But I have promised my mom that I'll finish my graduation very soon. But it's great to get this respect and honor from Mumbai University. And I want to thank all the students, teachers, my fans, my parents, everyone who has supported me in my journey. Because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be right here and receiving this honor.
What message do you want to give to your fans that first you have to complete the ambition, after that
See, everyone's ambition is different. My ambition was such that I had to take a decision of following my career and letting my studies take a backseat. But that does not mean that you have to do that for your career. It's very important कि आप decide करो आपके लिए क्या important है. But ये मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि if you really believe in something and you want to succeed in that, you should go for it.
डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन नॉर्मली डिफिकल्ट होता है लोग कहते हैं, तो आप क्या मानते हैं इसके?
डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन एक्चुअली लोग क्या सोचते हैं, डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन ईजी रहता है क्योंकि आपको कॉलेज जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको लेक्चर्स अटेंड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप सीधा एग्ज़ाम के लिए अटेंड करोगे. लेकिन एक्चुअली और डिफ़िकल्ट है क्योंकि आपको किसी का गाइडेंस नहीं है, कोई टीचर्स आपको कोई समझा रहे नहीं है कौन से टॉपिक्स है, सीधा पढ़ के एग्ज़ाम हॉल में आना है. तो वो मेरे लिए भी बहुत टफ था. मेरे करियर में मुझे एक टाइम निकालना था, एक महीना निकालना था जहाँ पे मैं सिर्फ पढ़ रहा था, और ये मैं से हो नहीं पा रहा था क्योंकि बीच में हर टाइम गिटार आ जाता था ना, आई टू ऑलवेज सिंग. बट कोशिश यही है कि मैं कंप्लीट करूँगा. एंड डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन इज़ अ वेरी नाइस सिस्टम क्योंकि हम बिना हमारा पूरा जो साल है उसे डिस्टर्ब किए बिना हम पढ़ाई फिर भी कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग. आई एम ऑलरेडी इन बॉलीवुड सर. वो अभी फ़िलहाल पता नहीं, बट आई थिंक माई जर्नी इज़ गोइंग रियली वेल एज अ सिंगर. Acting, I will see if I feel like doing, I will definitely go for it.
अच्छा, सिंगिंग की बात करें तो 26 तो आप जैन के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे, कितना एक्साइटेड है?
मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ. मैं एक्चुअली आई एम परफॉर्मिंग इन दुबई विद A.R. रहमान सर फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम. एंड रिपब्लिक डे हम इंडिपेंडेंट सॉरी मैं भूल गया, रिपब्लिक डे सॉरी रिपब्लिक डे हम वहाँ पे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे विद रहमान सर. एंड बहुत ही एक स्पेशल मोमेंट है फॉर अ सिंगर टू बी एबल टू कम एट दैट स्टेज एंड विद रहमान सर. ऐसा एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलना वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात है. सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू 26. एक्चुअली बस मैं तैयारी कर रहा हूँ. नर्वसनेस हमें स्टेज पे जाने से पहले 5 मिनट होती है. एक बार स्टेज पे आ जाए तो नर्वसनेस नहीं है. आई थिंक विल बी सिंगिंग जय हो ऑल ऑफ अस बिकॉज उनका सबसे फेमस गाना है वो. एंड उन्होंने कंट्री के लिए इतना कुछ किया है ऑलरेडी. एंड ही इज़ वन द ग्रैमी एंड द अकेडमी अवार्ड उस गाने के साथ, उस स्कोर के साथ. तो डेफिनेटली उस गाने को हम सब गाएंगे एक साथ, जो भी सिंगर्स हैं. ओके, आई एम कन्फ्यूज नाउ. आई लाइक टू वॉच बोथ बिकॉज एक सीरियस इशू पे भी बेस्ड है जो which relates to women sanitary also, जो बहुत ही एक important issue भी है. So I'd like to see that. And Padmavat I would really like to see that as well क्योंकि I'll दीपिका पादुकोण का fan हूँ मैं तो definitely वो देखने जाऊँगा.
This is the 15th year we are organizing this international conference on commerce and management, and on this platform of University of Mumbai we have felicitated all the legendaries from different fields, like from Bollywood, from industry, from sports. The first felicitation we did was Honorable Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji. He was here and he had received this award. After him Rani Mukherjee ji, late Devanand Saab, and then Jacqueline Fernandez was also there. Jitendra ji was also there, who received this award. So this is a very big platform, and Arman being Mumbaite and he is young and he is a big icon for the youth. So I thought that he is the best person this year to be awarded on behalf of University of Mumbai, and we wish him all the best because the amount of successful work he is doing, I think it's commendable, and he needs more and more such encouragements and support from everybody. This is a small gesture from University of Mumbai for Arman Malik, and thank you so much for accepting our award.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being here.
It's a big honor. Thank you.
1 second, let me. So here we presented to all of you complete Arman Malik to the University of Mumbai. Thank you so much. And yes, we know he is the heartthrob of many young girls in this country. With his beautiful voice and his depth in his voice, what he creates when he sings this song really creates wonders in the music industry. So let me read his profile to all of you. I'm sure you all must be waiting to know about his achievements. Arman Malik is already a decade old in the music industry and one of the most prominent singers. At the young age, Arman has seen a lot of success, from being a top 10 contestant in musical shows Saregamapa, Little Champs at the age of 10, to the singing for the likes of Ilaiyaraaja and Vishal Shekhar. The youngster has notched up one success after another. Belonging to a musical family, you all must be aware about his family. Grandfather, Honorable Mr. Sardar Malik, father, Dabu Malik, and his uncle, Anu Malik, all are the composers of the music industry of Indian cinema. Currently being one of the top singers and youth singing sensation, he has sung chartbuster songs for many films. He has also lent his voice for more than 100 commercials and sung songs in different languages like Tamil, Kannada, Gujarati and Telugu. His latest tracks are from movie Golmaal Again, Tere Mere from the film Chef, song Barfani for Nawazuddin film in Badmoshia, and through the mechanical other movies through film 20. He has secured his spot, please listen to this very carefully, he has secured his spot number 5th position on the list of most talked about male Bollywood celebrities and the most talked about Generation Next Bollywood celebrities this year by Twitter. He has also received the most prestigious award like the Filmfare Award, the GEMA Award, the Mirchi Music Award, SSC Awards and many more accolades. He is the youngest and brightest singing sensation of India. Youngest Indian singer to have solo world tour in USA and UK. Popularly known as Prince of Romance. So we would like now to felicitate him on behalf of University of Mumbai. Let me give you a small history of this platform on which Mr. Arman will be felicitated. This is the 15th year of our conference, and on this prestigious platform, we have felicitated legendaries like late Shri Devanand Saab. We have felicitated legendary Honorable Amitabh Bachchan ji here. We have felicitated Rani Mukherjee here. Legendary Jitendra ji here. Jacqueline Fernandez was also here. Yes, they all were here and they all were felicitated by the University of Mumbai. So we, the Department of Commerce and Management, we feel that we should give platform and encouragements to the industry and to the people who are upcoming in life and doing a lot of things for the society. So being one of our aims, we organize this felicitation ceremony every year. Tomorrow we have here Shaina NC, who is a very popular BJP spokesperson, whom will be felicitating on the same platform. So we are very happy that we have Arman here. I just now got to know Arman is also a student of University of Mumbai. He is doing his distance education program from this university. As he was just giving an interview outside to the press, and he was saying he's so busy in his work, he's so much in demand, he was not able to complete his education, so he had to register for online distance program, and his mom wishes that he should complete his education as fast as possible. So we wish him all the best, and I'm sure that you are going to be the next A.R. Rahman of the country. And 26th January for the Republic Day, let me tell you, I got a lot of information in just 5 minutes. He is going to perform live with A.R. Rahman ji in Dubai for the Republic Day celebration. And they are going to sing a lot of patriotic songs of India there. So we wish you all the best for that program too. So without much of ado, now may I request Dr. Vivek Devlankar sir to please felicitate Arman Malik for his great achievements and for being here with us for our today's event. May I request Dr. Vivek Devlankar sir to kindly felicitate Arman Malik on behalf of University of Mumbai for the award for 2018.
I request Dr. Nivedita Shreyans to please join in the felicitation of Mr. Arman Malik. Now this citation reads, this citation is being awarded to Honorable Mr. Arman Malik for his contribution to Indian music as playback singer, composer and songwriter, for lending his voice and dubbing, for his numerous awards, for being the most fashionable singing icon of the year, best playback singer and best indie pop singer of the year. So please, a round of applause for the very popular youth icon, Arman Malik. At this moment, I would request Arman Malik to please remain on stage. We are going to have a book release. Arman, you are our guest of honor, and it is our proud privilege to have Professor Vivek Devlankar's research volume being released. This research volume is authored by Professor Vivek Devlankar, and the title is Leadership in Management of Global Business. It is published by Arjun Publishing House, New Delhi, 2017. Many congratulations to Professor Vivek Devlankar. Friends, this is yet another research volume authored by Management Guru Dr. Vivek Devlankar. Yes, I think we can spend our time better. Round of applause. This research volume is titled Leadership in Management of Global Business, published by Arjun Publishing House, New Delhi. A louder round of applause, everyone. Thank you, Arman. Now I hand over the stage to Nivedita.
Address the gathering, and of course he cannot leave university without singing some beautiful songs for us. Please welcome him with a big round of applause.
Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Make some noise, come on. I feel really amazing कि मुझे इस एज पे ऐसा एक ऑनर मिला है from the University of Mumbai, and I consider education also a very important part of our life, and मुझे कभी-कभी ये दुख भी होता है कि I have not completed my graduation, and my mom's on my case. My mom's right here. वो कहती रहती है खत्म करना पड़ेगा. So I finished my first year of distance education. I have 2 more years to finish, but I'm sure that I will finish it for my mom right there. She herself is a teacher, so I know she treats me like a student only and is very strict at home. So मुझे पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी. But having said that, I really want to spread the message that if you feel passionate about something and you feel that you want to do this in your life, you should definitely go for it and see it through. Maybe some people will dissuade you, will tell you कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए, you should not go for it. But if your heart feels like it, you should definitely go for it. So I feel follow your passion and follow your faith, and of course you don't want to hear me talking, you want to hear me singing. So before I sing, I also need to thank all the important people. Dr. Vivek Devlankar sir, thank you for just giving me so much respect and honor. I think it's a big thing for me. And Dr. Nivedita Shreyansh for organizing this beautiful event and giving me such an amazing introduction. Height, weight, sab bata diya mera sab ek screen pe. And also University of Mumbai and Dr. Pillai from the Pillai group. Thank you for having me here. And kaun sa gana sunna chahoge yaar pata? Kaun sa? आँखों के पन्नों पे मैंने लिखा था 100 दफा लफ्जों में जो इश्क था, हुआ ना होठों से बड़ा, खुद से नाराज हूँ क्यों बेआवाज हूँ, मेरी खामोशियाँ है सदा, दिल है ये सोचता फिर भी नहीं पता किस हक से कहूँ बता, Sing with me. कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा, कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा, कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा, कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And an amazing. एक तुम्हें जाने के अलावा और कुछ हमसे होगा नहीं. बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं. बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं. Thank you guys for having me here and hope you have an amazing time. Thank you for giving me such an amazing honor, and everyone present in the room, a big, big, big thank you to you guys. Make some noise, come on. Love you guys.
That's nice. So we are so happy to know that Arman, your mom is here. We have Jyoti Malik here, and I welcome you, ma'am. And we wish you all the best, and we congratulate you on the success of your son. We are really blessed to have son like Arman Malik, and we wish you that he will become A.R. Rahman of the world, not only in India. So thank you so much, and would like to felicitate you on behalf of University of Mumbai for all the hard work. I'm definitely sure moms, father and mother, they put a lot of effort in bringing up your own children, own child. So I can understand what efforts you must have put in, how much time you must have given him, how much care you must have taken of him to come to at this stature. So we are so happy that you have joined here today with us, and I would request Dr. Vivek Devlankar sir to please felicitate for all the hard work the mom has done for Arman Malik. Please, I would request Arman Malik, ma'am, mom to please. A big round of applause for Jyoti Malik. We would also like to felicitate the lady who got Arman Malik here, my very good friend, Parul Chawla. She is a very famous PR consultant of Mumbai, especially Indian cinema. She is well connected with all the top Bollywood industry. May I request Parul Chawla, please come on the stage and receive small memento on behalf of University of Mumbai. Parul Chawla. She is not ready to come on stage, but I am pushing her. Please give her a big round of applause. May I request Devlankar sir to kindly felicitate her for her efforts. I've been following her for last 1 month, and she really worked hard to arrange Arman's timing. He's very busy. He has so many movies coming up, and he's really tied up. And thank you, Parul, for doing all the honor to us. I know Parul for the last 10 years, and she has been helping us to build the public relations with the industry. Thank you so much, Parul. And a small question answer session we have organized for Arman. We have our students who have some queries, and they would like to ask Arman some questions, and I think he will answer those. May I request Julie and Progna to please take over.
Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Progna Banerjee and I am from Pillai Institute of Management Studies and Research.
Okay.
So, I have a few questions for you.
Yes, please.
Okay, so starting with the light ones, who's your favorite singer from the current generation?
From the current generation, Arijit Singh.
He's our favorite too. So, the conference is mainly about digitization. So, what do you think? How has digitization helped you and has been instrumental in your career?
So does digitization also include the advent of social media and all those things? Okay, so I feel that the world is definitely going into a digital space, and with the advent of social media like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, it's definitely helped people like me and other people. I've seen a lot of singers and a lot of personalities who are more famous than people who have done work in the industry just because they are famous on social media. So I think that digitization has taken over the world. Digital life has become real life, if I must say. And somewhere I think obviously we need to strike a balance between living and being on the social media. But it definitely has helped. It has helped me find fans in different parts of the world that I didn't know ever existed, and I've connected with them, and it creates a really nice network and connectivity between people from all across the world. So I think it's a good thing, definitely.
And there's one more question that you are very young, you're almost of our age.
Yes.
So, we would like to know that how do you cope? There are such veterans in your field,
Yeah.
so there would be a lot of competition obviously. So how do you
Definitely.
cope up with that pressure, you know?
I feel since I'm young, I also have an advantage that I'll be able to, with time I'll be able to even change the way I sing, change the way I perceive things. And at every stage, actually I've noticed from the time that I made my debut till now, at every stage, every month, my voice changed, the songs that I sang changed, and I became from so my voice has changed from being a child singer to a more mature singer, and I've seen that journey, and somewhere I feel that if you follow your own thing, if you have your way of thinking, your way of singing, your way of perceiving things, you will go on. And I've never thought of the other people as competition, I've thought of them as inspiration, and all those people.
That was a great answer. And just one more question.
Okay.
That what are your future plans? Are you looking for any innovations or doing anything new in your field?
I definitely want to innovate. Not many people know, but music today is also heavily dependent on a lot of music made from technology, which is keyboards, which is beat makers. And not many people know that the music that they love is created through machines today. A lot of the music today is created through machines. Even though that those parts have been played by real musicians, but they've been converted into digital formats. And I feel that we should take this further, but also not lose the essence of the real instruments that in our country we have, like sitar, there's tabla. Recently I did a show called MTV Unplugged, where I performed all my songs, and we used no technology at all. There was not a computer, no software. It was pure musicians. We used instruments people have not even heard of. Israj. I don't know if have you heard of that instrument, Israj?
Yeah, I've learned classical.
Okay, so she's an exception. But there are many people who came to me and told me what is an Israj. So it's good that people from today's generation, they start using these instruments. Otherwise, people from our generation will not even know the kind of musicians that existed, the instruments that existed in our country. So having said that, I think the innovation should be a striking of a balance between using technology but not forgetting the organic music and instruments that we have in our country.
Thank you so much. I would like my friends to ask.
So, hello everyone.
Hello.
By the way, I must say it's a very treat to my eyes, Armand, seeing you in front of me. Thank you so much, ma'am, giving me this opportunity.
I didn't get your name, I'm so sorry.
I'm Zuili Dilip Sunita Kadam
Wow.
from PIMSA, first year student I am. Ma'am, I'm Marathi girl. So in that it said कि देव तिन्ही जगाचा आई विना भिकारी. So behind every successful man there is a woman, ma'am. So it's really nice for.
Right now is the mother, definitely.
Definitely, yes, sir. And ma'am, I must say you're very beautiful. So Arman, आप बोलते हैं कि आपकी मम्मी बहुत एजुकेशन पे emphasize करती है, टीचर है. So if not music, then Arman, which profession you feel you see yourself?
Well, I was studying commerce. I had done first year BCom. Yeah, first year BCom. I'm still turning. I don't know what I was studying. Yeah, first year. I was good at economics. I had done mass media first from Usha Praveen Gandhi College, and then I could not attend classes anymore and attend college anymore. Then hence I did distance education, and then I did my first year of BCom. So I was studying commerce, economics, and all those subjects. I was good at economics also.
Oh, nice.
So not many people know I got 92 in 10th and 89 in 12th.
Wow!
Just saying. I feel proud of that. So I really love, I used to love biology, and I used to love geography. And at one point I also wanted to go into doing astronomy because I love the space. So I was confused, but obviously singing has always been my passion, so I chose that. But if I wasn't a singer, I definitely would have been a restaurateur and have my own chain of hotels and restaurants, because that's my passion. I love food and I love hospitality. I was almost going to go for a hospitality course when songs happened, when the film industry happened to me. So, but I feel there's no regrets in life. I can always become a big singer, have enough money, and then put it into my restaurant and make restaurants. So I can always have a mix of my passion. But I also feel that education is very, very important, because it's because of that I understood so many things about life as well. Only thing is that there are new ways of education that are coming about today which help us learning rather than rote learning. Because I remember in school all of us used to by heart so many things and used to learn the textbook just so that we could, yeah. So now studies, I think whatever I'm seeing around me is that people are actually learning the material rather than just doing it by heart and just reproducing it into the paper. So I did a lot of learning on my own also. And since we are talking about digitization, I also feel that there's a lot of education beyond the books and also on computers, which people can, like I know many people who have learned music just online. And they come to play with us, they're proper guitarists, and they've learned everything online. They don't have a teacher. So that's where education is and education is not just books, it's everything else around you.
Yes, rightly said, education is not just books, it's edification which adds on to our profile, degrees and all. So, Arman, a very factual question, like we all are MBA grads sitting out over here.
Wow.
So today, in order to survive in today's world, maybe a Bollywood, maybe a corporate world, so what do you think are the essential qualities, like, general?
I also want to genuinely say something. Many of the people, they have done like amazing education, they have excelled in their education, but I've seen many of those people not securing jobs after they have finished their graduation. And the reason for that is personality development also. As a person, I feel if you're a person of the world, that's who a person wants to employ, not only just bookish knowledge. You need to have interpersonal skills also, because if you have learnt everything but you can't communicate with your employees or with people or the people who are with you in your office, I mean, you'll be an alien in the office. You'll just do results and they'll get results and go ahead and you'll just be working and there's no progress. So it's very important that you as a person, you develop, and that is where something is lacking in today's, like people have achieved a lot in education. But why is it that people don't fail to secure a job? I mean, anyone would prefer someone who's done this thing from that university, has got that many marks. But they also want to know, wow, this person really amazed me as a person. He made an impression on me. So today, not only education, but making an impression on the people you meet is very important.
So thank you, Arman. यहाँ पे बहुत लोग शायरी वाले कह रहे हैं, अगर आपकी इजाजत हो तो मैं कुछ कहना चाहूँगी. I would like to share my resolution with you all. पाना है वो मुकाम अभी बाकी है। अभी तो आए हैं जमीन पर, अभी आसमान की उड़ान बाकी है। अभी तो लोगों ने सुना है मेरा नाम, इस नाम की पहचान बनाना बाकी है। So Arman, I feel आपने जो कहा था, it was my personal question because you know I come from a doctor family, so always like आप डॉक्टर नहीं हो, तो I feel आपने जो कहा था, you really answered my questions and I promise I'm going to work on it. So awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Zuli. Thank you so much, Arman. I think you are a very good speaker also.
Thanks
the
so
way
much.
you handle the questions are excellent.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for dealing with this question so well. Now I request Lata Krishnan ma'am to take the formality forward. It's after this power-packed segment of Arman Malik. I request Sudha, Dr. Sudha Subramaniam, to formally introduce them.
It is my proud privilege to introduce Shri Harish Chandra S. Mishra. And in fact, I must say that it's a momentous occasion where we have Arman with us, and he has just voiced his thoughts on education, and he is in the company of so many ardent educationists. So maybe Arman, you could go that extra mile with all their guidance. So maybe Harish Chandra Mishra, Dr. Vivek Devlankar, everybody could play a part in Arman's educational future too. So Harish Chandra Mishra ji came from very humble beginnings and strove hard to complete his education with a diploma in civil engineering in the year 1974. Having said that, and having said that he joined the Mumbai Municipal Corporation as a junior engineer, he then came a long way, and it is that he has already reached the stars, and it is only धरती के फासले जो अब बाकी है उनके लिए.
Global Advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
Global as a company, it has never compromised on its service, quality and commitment, and that is the reason our clients do keep on coming again and again to us for our service. The mission of the company is to rise on the graph of betterment for every campaign handled by us.